Hi Amber. So we've come nearly to the end of our 4-week summer programme, and I just wanted to ask you a little bit about what you've learnt during your numeracy lessons. So what things have you learnt during the activities?
How to do fraction word problems.
Okay, excellent. So is this one of the activities you were doing in your lessons?
Yes.
Okay, can you talk me through it a little bit?
Well, it will give you a sum. Start with the first one. Like in a bag of marbles, there are 12 marbles. Half are blue. How many blue marbles are there? The answer would be 6.
Okay.
Because there are 12 and half of 12 is 6.
Excellent. That sounds like a good activity. Okay, so what other activities have you been doing during numeracy? Have you done any games or any things like that?
You've done games like a fraction bingo game.
Fraction bingo. Oh, that sounds like fun. Have you got that somewhere in your portfolio?
Yes.
Oh, what's this? Let's talk about this.
Well, it was a diagram. We had different fractions in the squares, and you had to write them down, and if you could simplify, you had to simplify.
Oh, excellent. Okay. And what's this we've got here? Is this a poster you've been doing?
Yeah. We had there was this picture on the computer screen. You had 20 seconds to look at it. Then you had to go back to your table and try and describe how it looked so that they could draw it on paper.
So did you have to use your memory for this?
Yeah.
That sounds pretty complicated. Was it a bit of a race? Were you racing everyone else in your class?
Boys against girls.
Oh, and who won?
It was a draw.
It was a draw. Okay, that sounds good. And during the numeracy lessons, what was there that you think you've been really proud of over the last few weeks that you've learned that you didn't know?
Percentages.
Percentages. Do you think you've got a bit better at working out percentages? Excellent, that sounds good. And during your 4 weeks, we were completing exit questionnaires, weren't we, at the end of each day? Can you show me one of your exit questionnaires? Here we go, there's one.
Yeah.
So what do we use the exit questionnaires for?
Well, it asks you to give an example. On the first box it says give an example of something that you've learnt.
Okay.
So I did some fractions.
Okay,
Examples that
excellent.
I've learnt. Then it asks you in the lessons what have you learnt, how to simplify a number. And that lesson I understood everything and didn't think I needed help.
Okay, excellent. And do you think there was anything that you might want to have in your numeracy lessons that would make them a bit better during the 4 weeks?
It was a bit simple, so make it a bit harder.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much, Amber.